Ooh. Sorry. There you go. Wow, that's a burp again. I think I have to burp. Oh yeah. You're welcome. Oh yes. Let's go, guys. Excuse me.
Probably sitting CT.
What is gas station grass?
K9. Smoking on that K9.
Oh, they're on the bomb. They're defusing.
One thing, man.
Oh, why do I keep burping?
We're smoking on that K9.
That is definitely him.
Is that him?
That's definitely him. Like, who named himself that?
Oh, I feel like I've seen someone else name themselves Bulbasaur.
Seek
Wow.
out. No, I'm kidding. Oh,
Oh my god,
My
it's
bad, my
this
bad.
guy.
my bad. Think so.
My bad. I should have had King reaction time on that round. I'm so sorry.
I didn't hear a single bullet. Like,
Look, look.
you can keep going. Hi, Brownsies.
They banned bronzies.
Oh. Was the actual Jonah?
Machine Gun Kelly.
Yeah.
Actually,
Where's Megan Fox?
It might be Reyna. She might be on streamer mode.
Oh yeah.
who?
Wait, Megan Fox is Smurf.
I know I dash around a lot, but I promise I'm
Uh,
looking out for you.
No, it's just a new
Take them out while
account.
they're busy with me.
She's
wait,
new to
what's on that?
Valorant.
I thought you guys were kidding that we were going in.
Is it actually him?
I'm pretty sure. Why would anyone fake being?
Wow.
Oh, wait, Megan Fox is Smurf.
I know I dash around a lot, but I
She's
promise I'm looking out for you.
No, it's just a new
Take them out while
account.
they're busy with me.
She's
wait,
new to
what's on that?
Valorant.
I thought you guys were kidding that we were going in.
Is it actually him?
I'm pretty sure. Why would anyone fake being?
Wow.
Oh, that's. Oh, clip it. Someone clip it.
That's
I mean, it's a random thing to fake, no?
that's Riot Kelly.
I mean, someone randomly
I'm
was an
like,
imposter for a Survivor contestant. When,
please
like,
stop.
he has,
I
like,
literally
100,000
can't.
You can mute them.
I can smell it.
What? That's nasty.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Hit the desk. Oh no, it's not. I headshot 3 times.
They're nice. Oh, sorry. Wow.
Wow. There you go. Very hot.
Oh!
Burping. Burping. Oh my god.
Ooh, boo, boo.
Oh my god, I have to burp again. Wow. I think it's really expensive. Oh, sorry. It's so holy nice. I'm sorry. Oh. I'm burping so much, I don't know why. And I really wanna. Why am I burping so much? You know? There you go. Oh yeah. I don't know why I'm burping. It's free. You love V from it's just hard. By myself. Suki cut X is keep so it makes sense. Like you can't count that shit as surgery. Sorry. Amazing eyelid. Yes. Ma burp. Sorry. Hi Manny. Hello. Sorry. I don't know how to make fun. Hi Greedy Pie.
Oh. Oh, hello?
Not in my placement games. There you go. I just ate. I'm so full. I'm Matt. It's like you are actually griefing me. Okay, I'm done eating. Telling me how much battery. Burp. Quarters there, so I'm hoping I can. The dude was literally playing Apex Legends stuff that's far away.
Push C long and flank them.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello? my god. Oh, I did it! Oh my god. Jesus. Jesus.
Is this like Tourette's?
It's Tourette's moment. That's kind of a wow.
But probably best to play as a team. So, what's the plan?
They always speak.